Hey guys, so we're moving on to grade 1 of this brand new Trinity drum kit syllabus for 2020-2023, and this is called Broadway Bounce by Chris Burgess. It's a great piece. The first thing you'll notice about it is it's in 2/4 time. So if you don't know what about time signatures or the understanding of time signatures, it can go a little bit unnoticed. But a time signature really tells you a little bit about the piece before you play it. And the most common time signature that you'll come across is a 4/4 time signature. So the top number is a 4 and the bottom number is a 4. Always, with a time signature, the top number tells you how many beats there are in each bar, and the bottom number tells you what type of beats they are. So typically on the bottom number you'll either see a 4 or an 8. If the bottom number is a 4, it means that the beats are going to be crotchet beats. And if the bottom number is an 8, it means that the beats are going to be quaver beats. And then obviously the top number, whatever it is, that's how many beats are going to be in a bar. So our common time signature is 4/4. Top number, how many beats? Bottom number, what type? So you got 4 crotchet beats in 4/4 time. In 6/8 time, you would have 6, and the bottom number is an 8. It means quaver, so it's 6 quaver beats in a bar. The time signature for Broadway Bounce is 2/4, so that means there's 2 crotchet beats in a bar. So we won't be counting 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be counting 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so it says show to feel. So it's called Broadway Bounce. It's that kind of like the hint is in the title. It does sound like a show tune. So you've got bass drum on 1 and snare and hats on and. 1 and 2 and. Same on bar 2. Same on bar 3. 2. 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2, 8, 2, 9, 2, 10, 2. So it's all the same for the first 10 bars, and then on bar 11 you get a change. Bass drum and hats, 1, bass drum and crash, 2. Then the next bar, bass drum and crash, 1, and then bass drum and crash, 2. Okay, so this is the first section, section A. 2, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 1, 2. So, very straight. Now we got our typical Broadway style drum solo. 1, 2 E and a 1 and 2 E and. So a lot of fun. 1, 2 E and. Quite simple. Rack tom 1 and floor tom 2 E and. 1, 2 E and a 1 and 2 E and. Okay. Next bar, bass and snare drum 1 and floor tom 2 and 1 E and 2. So that's the whole thing. It's just 4 bars long. 1, 2 E and a 1 and 2 E and 1, 2 and 1 E and 2. Make sure that you're not overplaying that bass drum. The bass drum only hits on the 1 of 13 and the 1 of 15. There's no other bass drum there, so don't be tempted to keep that pulsing like I would. So now we're moving on to 17. It's whole beats. 1 snare drum, 2 bass and crash, 1 snare drum, 2 bass and crash. Okay, so 17 and 18. 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you got 19. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So it's 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. The whole line. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. It's very, very straight stuff, but if you try and do it fast without knowing it, it's gonna fold you. You're gonna make mistakes. It's gonna be frustrating. So keep it slow. Keep your count out loud. A lot of people they're just against the idea of counting out loud, but it really is going to be helpful to you. Okay, into section C. We're returning back to the show feel at the start there. 1 and 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Okay, so this repeats all the way to kind of the closing section. So from 21, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 29 has bass drum, snare drum and hats. 1, 2. 30 is bass drum, snare drum and hats on 1 and 2. 1, 2, and then 31 is 1, 2, 1, and then just snare and hats. Okay, so this last section from 21 to the end. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Very straight. Enjoy it, have a listen to it. I'm going to do a video of it with the backing track now, so have a look at that. It'll be a good way of kind of understanding it. Try and play through it yourself without any pressure from a backing track and get comfortable with it, taking it sectionally rather than as a whole piece, and have a bit of fun with it. It's not a bad piece to enjoy playing, and I think there's a lot of Broadway style music out there that I'd be a fan of, so I enjoy playing it. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope all of this is very helpful to you. If there's other pieces within this brand new syllabus that you want me to take a look at that you haven't seen me do, please do let me know and I'll take a look at them. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.